right, keep it coming back, slow down, and hold it right there. Cut the engine. Hold it right there, kill the engine. All right, next bay over, keep the line moving.
This raw corn is specifically chosen to reproduce the exact Kurkure shape, expansion, and internal air pocket structure. This is not just corn bakfu. This is the blueprint of real Kurkure snacks' shape, twist, and identity. Every real Kurkure snack begins here, on Ting, with raw material chosen for its exact structure and design.
This is where Kurkure's real twisted structure is programmed at the molecular level.
Our multi-stage industrial cleaning systems remove every impurity.
Even microscopic impurities can distort the real Kurkure twisted structure. Reorganization dry and Kurkure will snap. Reorganization wet and the twist will collapse. Reorganization balance defines the real Kurkure design.
Shape accuracy starts before cooking even begins.
With AI-powered optical sorting, we ensure shape accuracy starts before cooking even begins, scanning every grain at lightning speed.
This purified raw material is now structurally calibrated for real Kurkure snacks' signature curl, ridges, and crunch sound.
See this? Even a single impurity here could break the extrusion flow, ruining the twist design downstream.
This precise moisture absorption is essential to form the hollow. It is the precise combination of shear force and heat alignment within the extruder that forms the unique Kurkure crunch structure. Precise shear force and heat alignment are what create the authentic Kurkure crunch structure.
Twist will collapse. This balance defines the real Kurkure design.
The shape is born in pressure only. The crunch is saved by balance. This stage permanently locks the real Kurkure twist, ridges, and hollow interior before seasoning begins. This is where physics becomes flavor, pressure turns moisture into air, and air becomes the soul of real Kurkure.
We must maintain precise control, for uneven drying would collapse the authentic Kurkure curl and ruin its real structure.
These signature ridges and curves are engineered precisely to trap the masala, locking in the flavor.
This stage defines Kurkure's identity. Flavor must cling perfectly to the real twisted structure without softening the crunch.
This is where softness becomes crunch, deepont, without breaking the original Kurkure design. Consistency is critical to preserving the true Kurkure design in every single piece.
The crunch score is borderline, but the oil index is stable.
And the flavor uniformity meets the standard.
Good. Final approval granted.
This scale ensures every Kurkure piece crunches the same, sounds the same, and breaks the same.
Initiating thermal stabilization sequence for the twist geometry.
Moisture levels are normalizing. We have optimal expansion across all zones. The adhesion curve looks good, but let's increase the spice flow rate slightly. Calibrating now. We must maintain the rotation speed to protect the crunch. The crunch score is borderline and the uniformity rating is still low.
It just ticked into the green, meeting the Kurkure standard. The oil index is stable.
Very well. Initiate approval.
The flavor distribution is spot on, really consistent.
Absolutely. The texture and salt levels match the profile perfectly.
This is the final checkpoint, where structure, crunch, and flavor must pass scientific validation before release.
Only authentic Kurkure packaging preserves real market identity and product recognition.
By stamping every packet with precise batch numbers and expiry dates, we ensure full traceability. Our state-of-the-art printing line applies batch numbers and expiry dates to every packet. This critical traceability ensures product authenticity and full safety compliance. This is the final transformation, where engineering becomes a consumer product through original branded packaging. Only perfection survives this stage. Manual. Everything else is rejected.
This is where engineering becomes identity. Barkyom. Kurkure is now ready for the world. We ensure strict global compliance and complete product traceability for every batch of Kurkure that leaves our facility.
Utilizing state-of-the-art automation, the Kurkure supply chain operates with synchronized mechanical flow and verified accuracy. Welcome to the future of snack distribution. Our synchronized systems ensure every box of Kurkure reaches its destination with unprecedented efficiency.
This facility is where localized production evolves into a force of global distribution.
Forklifts unload containers of original Kurkure packs. Our synchronized global supply chain updates inventory in real time, showcasing our commitment to industrial precision.
Barcode verified. Manifest checks out clear on the Kurkure. Confirmed. X-ray is clean. Go ahead and approve the shipment.
At this moment, Kurkure transitions from a factory product into a truly global food network. The world wakes up to the taste of Kurkure, now exporting worldwide. This is where global distribution transforms into real consumer visibility.
This is the exact moment engineering becomes choice.
From local stores to global markets, the delicious taste of Kurkure is accessible to everyone, everywhere.
Look, Kurkure, can we get this one, please?
All right, let's get it.
He really wants them.
This is the final destination of the entire global system, where engineering becomes human experience, emotional realism.
From raw corn to global crunch, no wheat, Kurkure is now part of everyday life.